Welcome for Tech for Kids.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't start.
What's wrong?
We're missing someone.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're missing somebody.
Who is it?
I think it's
Come on.
Oh, Glenn's here.
Today, we reached 100 subscribers on Tech for Kids.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I thought it would be fun that for a 100 subscriber special,
We would make cotton candy.
cotton candy. That's right. Now it is tech, but it's old school tech. So today we are using the Nostalgia Retro Hard Cotton Candy Maker. Let's get it set up and show you how to make cotton candy.
Let's get started.
So it comes with the cotton candy maker. It comes with 2 cotton candy holders.
Yeah.
And it comes with a little cup to pour the hard candy in.
And these ones you can reuse. There's paper ones that you can't reuse.
So this would be really good for a birthday party.
Oh yes,
Stick
definitely
it.
birthday party.
Stick cotton candy in the cake.
It does.
So all you do is pull that off, and then we push it back on the other way.
So
Like that?
it doesn't go
Oh.
flying everywhere.
Oops, I forgot one thing.
Yeah.
Forgot this part. This part goes on top.
So it doesn't fly everywhere.
That's
Yeah.
To our
right.
faces.
You don't want the sugar to slip in our nose. That's why they have it in safety. Now we
you go.
just plug it in.
And I like this on the bottom, there's some suction cups so it can suck to the counter so that it doesn't.
Daddy,
Go
I want
anywhere.
to mix up one.
Now the next thing is you do need to have adult supervision when you use this. So that means you guys can't make it without me, right?
Yeah, whoa, boy.
Yeah, so you gotta wait for me to help.
Yeah.
And then they say that you plug this in and wait 10 minits for it to warm up.
Stop,
And then you
stop.
can start putting in your cotton candy.
And right here, I know you guys can't know, but right there, there's a thing to let it go off and on.
Oh, perfect.
Let me turn it on.
Plug it in,
3, 2, 1. Boop.
turn it on.
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
And it will show a
It's
red
glowing.
light.
It's glowing already. That
Okay,
means
so
it's
it
getting
is
warm.
warming up.
Daddy, I
Now,
wanna mix
in
up
order to
one.
make cotton candy, you do need something else,
Like sugar.
which is sugar. That's right. So here,
I want mix.
we also got this cotton candy fun pack, and it comes with, why don't you read those, Adele?
Blue raspberry, cherry, and grape floss sugar. 50 paper cotton candy cones.
Oh, good. So if you don't want to use the reusable, this comes with a bunch of different cones you can use.
This one and this one and this one.
And
Okay, we got this one,
Cherry?
and this one, and this one, and this one. Or do they
I
have
want
names?
cherry. We've never used it.
I want all of them.
Okay, so we're gonna do cherry,
I want cherry.
and we got blue raspberry, and grape. Okay, so which one do you want, Gwen?
Cherry, cherry. That and this and that.
Whoa, you can already see some of the cotton candy from the last time we did it.
Yeah, and it was so fun.
Okay, so which one do you want, Claire?
I want these two.
Those two? Okay.
I think they look
So all you
yummy.
need to do is you're gonna pour one of these and fill this up, and then we're gonna pour it in the middle. We're gonna turn it off, pour it in the middle, and then turn it on. And after a few minutes, it's going to get warm enough so that it can then turn into candy floss. And you're gonna hold this like this, and you're gonna keep twisting it, and it will fill up with cotton candy.
Yeah.
And I have one question to say. If you want 3, then you have to do half of this, half of that, half of this.
Wait,
if you want 2.
we can mix colors?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Yes. So far, last time we only did 2, grape and blueberry. Out of those 2, I would say blue raspberry is the best.
Go down mine. Let's do a cotton candy song. Cotton candy, cotton candy, cotton candy, yay! Pop.
We are making it. We are making it.
Cotton
It is
candy,
delicious.
pop. There's already blue around it, guys.
Yummy, yummy,
Wow.
yummy. Oh, yum, yum,
Yum.
yum,
Just
yum,
cotton candy.
yummy, yummy, yummy,
candy.
yummy.
I got
cotton candy.
I
Yay!
can feel the burn.
I would
And then-
say while you're heating up, don't get your hand too close. Don't get the paper sticks too close, or these. And yeah, just don't.
Please don't. If you haven't read the constructions and you think you know what you're doing, don't put that inside here.
Also, you only do one scoop.
One scoop.
If you want to do all of them at the same time,
Do a little bit.
Put a little bit of one, and then another till it's at the top.
Okay, turn it off, Claire.
Okay. I'm the one that.
So now we turned it off. So we're going to wait till it stops spinning, and then we will pour in all 3 colors. And this is our first time using cherry.
Yep.
There we go.
Woo! It's like Rainbow Gwen, your favorite. And then we turn it back on. It'll start making cotton candy. So teach
So
them
usually
that.
you wait until you see some of the candy floss start to accumulate here.
Yeah.
Okay, so I start to see it up here at the top.
Yep, right there.
So that means you
Got it.
look. We already see it. Wow.
Wow.
And then also move back and forth
So you can get extra lots
so
and
you
lots.
can get all of it accumulating. And sometimes you might need to go in and pick up this down here. There
Yep.
you go.
If you don't know, young ones, if you don't know what candy floss is, it's just cotton candy.
Yeah.
So do you floss with it? Is this how you floss your teeth at night? No.
Dentists made cotton candy.
Oh, no, no.
They did.
Yeah, they did. I learned it in class.
Why did they make cotton candy?
I don't know, because like candy floss.
When we don't need to.
And look how big it's already getting.
Whoa!
It's like a little snake. It's kind of like a workout for you how you have to keep spinning it.
Kind of.
That's getting bigger like the ceiling.
Getting really big, so you just keep doing this until you
Run
stop
out.
seeing the candy floss
Yep.
Coming.
at the bottom.
And look how fat that is.
All right, let's turn it off.
Now it's the
Ooh,
last time.
doesn't that look yummy? Here you go, Gwenny. All right, who's next?
Me.
Okay, let's do Claire. What do you want, Claire?
The purple and cherry. Purple and cherry.
All right, here we go. Did you guys know you can also put a piece of hard candy in here?
No.
So like if you had a peppermint candy, you could put one of those in here and it would melt and turn into candy floss, or you could do like one of
put
those
jelly
hard
beans.
root beer candy, not jelly beans. Jelly beans aren't hard candy.
I know what you can do. Those little square candies.
Starburst?
Yeah,
So
Starburst.
Starburst aren't hard candy. It's got to be like really hard, kind of
Yeah.
like a sucker type of thing, but a sucker you don't want
that's
to
root
stick.
beer barrels.
Yeah, root beer barrels. Oh, that would taste so delicious.
Yeah. Hard chocolate.
Not hard chocolate. No chocolate in here. Hard candy. Got it?
Okay.
I love cotton
All right, Claire, here is yours. This one got a little taller and skinnier, but that's okay. All right, Adele, what do you want?
I want cherry.
Come on. Yours is bigger. Mine is taller than yours. No.
Look at my finished result without taking a bit.
How does it taste?
Oh.
What do you think, Claire?
Delish.
Where'd yours go?
I got it in my tummy.
That was a magic trick. What about yours, Gwen? How's yours? Good?
Mine's so good.
Good?
You can't
Okay.
reuse
I think,
them.
I can taste the cherry in it.
really?
No, it's mine. You already had.
I think I'm gonna do an all blue.
Whoa. And Dad, question.
Yeah.
When you put cotton candy in your mouth, why does it go gone so fast?
Well, that's a good question. Because our mouth has moisture, and because the sugar is so fine. So this melts the sugar down into very tiny, tiny pieces, and it turns it into strings or floss. And so when you put it in your mouth, it instantly melts.
Oh.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
Should we put some on our tongue and see how quick it melts?
Yeah.
Oh guys, and also look at this real quick.
Yeah.
Look around the outside edge here. What do you see?
I see blue, purple, shiny, greenish, bluish.
So look at this. What do you think it's like? Think it's hard or soft?
Hard.
Let's try what happens when I break it.
Whoa.
So you could probably eat that, but it would be actually really hard, just like hard candy. Oh, that's a cool pattern. Don't put your hand in here, kids.
Look at me. Whoa.
Oh, so it's showing the different colors we've made.
Ready?
But yeah, it does make a mess, so make sure you clean up when you're all done.
I'm blocked. Do you want to eat this?
This is a piece of cotton candy.
Where'd it go? It's gone. Hey, that's mine.
Claire, give him
All right.
that. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had a good time on this, and we hope your cotton candy is
Daddy,
as
got
delicious
some
as
milk.
ours. Thank you for watching,
Daddy, I
and
got
we'll
some
see you
milk.
on the next video.
Wait, Daddy, it's all I'm doing.
Hey, what did you do? What are you doing? You tricker. All right.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!